Hey there. So you're always tired, right? Like you wake up feeling like you got hit by a truck, drag yourself through the day, and then wonder why you have zero energy? Well, I've got some news for you. It's probably not what you think it is. Today, we're diving into the 5 biggest sleep and energy mistakes that are literally draining your body every single day. And here's the crazy part. Most people are doing at least 3 of these without even realizing it. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why you feel like a zombie and how to fix it starting tonight. Trust me, mistake number 4 is going to blow your mind. Okay, let's be real here. How many of you go to bed at 11 p.m. on Monday, then stay up until 2 a.m. binge watching Netflix on Tuesday? Yeah, I see you. Here's what's happening. Your body has something called a circadian rhythm, basically your internal clock. When you constantly change your sleep schedule, you're confusing the heck out of this clock. It's like trying to catch a train when the schedule changes every day. Shocking stat. Studies show that people with irregular sleep schedules feel 37% more tired during the day, even if they get the same total hours of sleep as people with consistent schedules. Your body literally doesn't know when to produce melatonin, the sleepy hormone, or when to boost cortisol, the wake-up hormone. So you end up feeling groggy when you should be alert, and wired when you should be winding down. The fix? Pick a bedtime and wake-up time and stick to it. Yes, even on weekends. I know, your social life might suffer a bit, but your energy levels will thank you. But wait, there's something even more important than when you sleep. Now, I'm not talking about garlic-fearing creatures here. I'm talking about foods that literally suck the life out of you. Though, honestly, some of these foods are scarier than actual vampires when it comes to your energy levels. The biggest culprits? Refined sugars and processed carbs. That morning donut, the 3 p.m. candy bar, that healthy granola bar, they're all energy vampires in disguise. Here's what happens. You eat something sugary, your blood sugar spikes up high, you feel amazing for about 30 minutes, then crash. Your energy plummets lower than it was before. It's like being on an energy roller coaster that only goes down. Mind-blowing fact. The average American consumes 17 teaspoons of added sugar per day. That's like having 4 to 5 energy crashes daily. Instead, try pairing your carbs with protein and healthy fats. Apple with almond butter? Yes. Oatmeal with berries and nuts? Perfect. These combinations give you steady, sustained energy instead of the spike and crash cycle. And speaking of what you put in your body, let's talk about the mistake that's probably happening in your kitchen right now. Okay, before you roll your eyes and think, oh great, another person telling me to drink more water, hear me out. This goes way deeper than just chugging H2O. Dehydration disaster. Even being just 2% dehydrated can make you feel 23% more fatigued. That's barely noticeable thirst, but your energy is already tanking. But here's the plot twist. It's not just about quantity, it's about timing and quality. Drinking a gallon of water right before bed, you'll be up all night. Chugging coffee first thing on an empty stomach, hello, jittery crash at 10 a.m. The real game changer is electrolyte balance. When you sweat, stress, or even just breathe, you lose sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Plain water can't replace these. So you end up feeling tired even when you're technically hydrated. Pro tip, add a pinch of sea salt and lemon to your morning water or eat water-rich foods like cucumber, watermelon, and leafy greens throughout the day. But wait until you hear about the mistake that's happening while you sleep. Hey, quick question. Are you finding this helpful so far? If you're learning something new about why you're always tired, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want more health tips like these, hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss out. Trust me, what's coming next might be the most important part. This one's huge, and most people have no idea it's happening. You think you're getting 8 hours of sleep, but your body is actually working overtime trying to deal with a terrible sleep environment. Temperature troubles. Your bedroom should be between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 19 degrees Celsius. Why? Because your body temperature naturally drops when you sleep. If your room is too warm, your body can't cool down properly, and you'll toss and turn all night without even realizing it. Light pollution. This is the big one. Even tiny amounts of light can mess with your melatonin production. That little LED on your phone charger, the street light creeping through your curtains, your brain thinks it's daytime and reduces melatonin by up to 50%. Crazy comparison. Sleeping in a room with light pollution is like trying to sleep while someone gently pokes you every 20 minutes. You might not fully wake up, but your sleep quality is absolutely destroyed. The sound factor. Your brain is always listening, even when you're asleep. That neighbor's dog barking, the traffic outside, even your partner's breathing can pull you out of deep sleep cycles repeatedly. Quick fixes. Blackout curtains or a sleep mask, white noise machine or earplugs, cool, dark, quiet environment, no screens 1 hour before bed. But the biggest energy killer might surprise you. Here's something wild. Stress literally steals your energy at the cellular level. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, which is supposed to give you energy for fight or flight situations. But chronic stress means chronic cortisol, and that's like having your car's engine revving in the red zone 24/7. The stress, sleep, energy cycle. You're stressed, so you sleep poorly. You sleep poorly, so you have less energy. You have less energy, so everything feels more stressful. It's a vicious cycle. Shocking research. Chronic stress can make you feel up to 60% more tired than you should, even with adequate sleep. It's like your energy tank has a leak. And let's be honest, most of us are stressed about things that won't matter in 5 years, like whether we liked the right Instagram post or if our coworker thinks we're weird for microwaving fish in the office. Spoiler alert, yes, microwaving fish makes you weird, but it's not worth losing sleep over. Stress solutions. 5-minute morning meditation. Seriously, just 5 minutes. Evening brain dump. Write down tomorrow's worries so your brain can let go. Deep breathing. 4 counts in, hold for 4, out for 6. Regular exercise. Even a 10-minute walk helps. The key is finding what works for you. Some people need yoga, others need to punch a boxing bag. Both are valid. Here's what's really crazy. These mistakes don't just exist in isolation. They create a perfect storm of exhaustion. Poor sleep schedule makes you crave sugar, leads to dehydration, creates stress, ruins your sleep environment. Repeat. It's like a domino effect, but in reverse. Fix one and the others become easier to tackle. Start with your sleep schedule. It's the foundation everything else builds on. Bonus tip, the 3-2-1 rule. 3 hours before bed, no more food. 2 hours before bed, no more work. 1 hour before bed, no more screens. This simple rule can transform your energy levels in just 1 week. All right, let's wrap this up. We've covered the 5 major energy killers: inconsistent sleep schedules, energy vampire foods, poor hydration, terrible sleep environments, and chronic stress. Here's my challenge for you. Pick one of these mistakes and focus on fixing it this week. Don't try to change everything at once. That's just setting yourself up for failure and more stress. Quick question. What's your biggest energy killer? The 3 p.m. sugar crush or the I'll just scroll TikTok for 5 more minutes at midnight trap? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, definitely check out my next video about 10 weight loss tips that don't require working out. Because when you fix your energy, weight management becomes so much easier. I'll see you there. Don't forget to like this video if it helped, subscribe for more health tips, and ring that bell so you never miss out. Sweet dreams and high energy days ahead.